Here we are at Weymouth Furnace. You can see the smokestack back there. And here is the river. There's a guy, somebody about ready to put a kayak in up there, you can see. Gonna go do some canoeing. There are dogs out here. It's a very nice day. I believe there are some people actually floating around in the river up here. Very nice place. Yep, there's people playing in the river down yonder. They got facilities to do barbecuing over here. There's some people barbecuing in the distance, see? Got a little bridge that you cross to get over here. It's pretty cool. There's the people in the river having fun. But it's a neat place.